What's going on, guys? So I did this Joey Gallo home run challenge and I ended up winning. So I got a card right here. I'll show you guys. Got in the mail yesterday. And then I did a Vlad Guerrero Jr. one, but I didn't end up. I picked a game where the game got postponed. So when that happens, they don't give you another shot, which sucks. So I gotta figure out how to open this. And it's just stupid. And I also have a Eloy Jimenez one that I did. I don't know what is going on with this. Okay. So congratulations. This is the card. Out of 381. I'm struggling here. Pretty sweet. So then I also got these Bowman packs today. So 2 packs and 5 camo parallels. So hopefully we get something good. Here are the 212. Am I missing something? Nope. So here are the 2 packs. This one feels fat. I mean, probably all fat. Here we go. First card, Trevor Bauer, Jorge Soler, Jesus Sanchez, rookie card, Alex Kirilloff, Jose Garcia, Rookie of the Year, Andres Jimenez. Futurist, Bobby Witt Jr. Here are the camos. Alec Thomas. Bowman first, Jeremy De La Rosa. Forrest Whitley, Chrome. Spencer Torkelson, Chrome. C.J. Abrams. Hyun Il Choi, first Bowman. And then Austin Hendrick. So next pack here. Nothing too special in there. Alright, Jake Cronenworth. Luis Campuzano. Acuna. Shane Bieber. Christian Yelich. Juan Soto. Top 100, Forrest Whitley. Matthew Thompson. Grayson Rodriguez. Dax Fulton, so no good camos. Hunter Green. Bowman first, Junior Severino. Dax Fulton again. Vidal Brujan. And Hunter Bishop. So that pack was, I mean, those packs weren't horrible. I mean, got some Bowman firsts. I wish we would have got better camo cards. They were all not Bowman first, and they were also not good ones, really. So, I mean, oh, actually, we did get one. Did not even realize. Jeremy De La Rosa. Alrighty, so that'll be it for the pack opening. Thank you guys for tuning in, and peace out.